Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a beautiful Meesho haul. I found all of these gorgeous Pinteresty pieces on Meesho under 350. All of them are under 350 and you won't believe how beautiful these pieces are and how stunning they look on me. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up is a beautiful burgundy deep maroon colored top. Now this is the only top in this haul. Okay, I did not get any other top, but this is so good. This is just so worth it. This, as soon as I saw this top on the website, I was like, I have to get this one. This is a cute top, but it has this beautiful ribbon attached to it, which makes it sort of like a scarf style top, which is super trendy nowadays. And you can see all of similar kind of tops in Savannah or Mintra, and all of them are like quite expensive. At definitely not under 200, by the way, and I got this under 200, which is so good. Definitely the material is very plasticky and polyester, but you cannot argue with that, right? I mean, you are getting a good thing for the price. The material is basically what you are paying for. Okay, so yeah, but this looks so good. This is a little bit too long, but this looks so good on me. You have already seen the try on haul and you know how good this looks on me. I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, this is really good. This is really pretty, super good for your parties or just a perfect going out top. Next up, I have a beautiful dress, and this is my most favorite purchase for this haul. This is a beautiful brown midi dress, and this has a sort of one shoulder detailing, and it also has a ruched detailing at its side. So this basically gives you that snatched effect, and oh my god, I cannot explain how good this looks. This is under 300 and the material feels so good. This is also polyester, by the way, but this material is like so soft. You can just rub it in and it will not irritate you at all. I wish I had just gone a size up. This is like a little too constricting for me, but other than that, I love it. This also has a beautiful slit at its bottom, so it starts from below your knee and goes on to your cuff, where this dress ends. And this is beautiful, just gorgeous. I don't have any other things to say. If you have to get just one thing from this entire haul, let it be this one, definitely. Next up, I actually have a cord set, and this is perfect for your vacation. Okay, so if you're going to a beach anytime soon, let this be the one cord set that you carry. This is a beautiful tube top. It also has elastic at its back, so this will basically stay in its place. Very cute crop top, and I love this beautiful color combination. This beautiful lavender and green. I love it. This looks so good. And with this, we have this beautiful midi skirt. It has elastic at your waist, so it will fit you perfectly. And this is a beautiful midi bodycon skirt, which looks stunning. I love the colors. This is a perfect vacation. Vacation, what is vacation? This is a perfect vacation dress. I love how this looks on me. The material is polyester again, but this is not as soft as the brown one, but not as thick as the red top that I showed earlier too. This is also quite comfortable. You can wear this easily for vacations, for like a sunset photo shoot or something, or anything like a sundowner or a music festival. I love how this looks. So yeah, definitely you can go for this one. Before moving on, all of these dresses and corsets and the top that I got, all of them are in the size S. All of them are in the size S. I forgot to mention that earlier. So yeah, mentioning it right now. Moving on to the next one. Next up is another dress, and I swear I saw this somewhere, or Urbanic or Savannah or Newbie, somewhere definitely, and I got the exact one from Meesho. I mean, just look at this dress. This is so pretty and so pretty. This is giving that chic it girl vibe. This has this beautiful, sort of like a mock collar sort of situation. When you wear it, you get that mock collar sort of vibe, and it has elastic at its side, so it is safe and secure. And this is like sort of like a really good bodycon dress. This is also in polyester, but this is not as soft as a brown one either. I mean, coming to the quality of all of these dresses, you just get what you pay for, right? So you cannot complain about that. But if you're wearing this for, just for a certain event for like 3-4 hours, you can easily go on with this. And especially if you are in a place where there's AC on or something, definitely you can go for it. I love how this looks on me. Very chic, very Pinteresty, just perfect. It's just the perfect chic girl dress to exist ever. So we are down to the last item of this haul, and how can I not include a beautiful black dress? Now this is a tube dress, and you have this elastic at its back, so it basically stays again. And this is sort of like a midi dress and bodycon, so this fits you perfectly. I love how this looks on me. Okay, this really looks like you have bought this from H&M or something. If you look from far away, or especially in photos, of course this is polyester again and the material isn't the best, but yeah, you can definitely wear it for a 2-3 hour party or whatever, or a celebration, anything you're going to. And I love how this looks on me. I styled this with a beautiful golden waist chain, which I also got from Meesho, and that chain just elevated the dress, the whole look. And how I love how this looks on me. You can wear just simple gold hoops and a gold watch, or some beautiful hand stack, and yeah, you are just going to make heads turn, believe me. So yeah, definitely you can go for this one. I love this one. It's straight out of Pinterest, very rich girl vibe, but under 300. What more do you want? So with that, we are here at the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed buying it and showing it to you all. I'm super happy with this haul. I'm not disappointed with even one item, which is amazing. And I just hope that I can bring out better hauls with each video as I come. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. Comment down which one is your favorite. All the links will be mentioned in the description box. All of these dresses are in the size S, as I mentioned. And yeah, stay tuned for next week's video. Also comment down what video you want to see me doing next. I think I will do a festive sort of haul, because Durga Puja is in less than a month, and I am so excited. So yeah, be ready for festive content really soon. And yeah, with that, I'll be seeing you very soon next week. Bye.